walked alone through endless flame, chased the fire that spoke my name. Every victory left me still, a restless heart I couldn't fill. Now I learn to share the climb, to slow the rush, to trust the time. The strength I sought was never gone. It grows when I don't stand alone. The battles fought, the pride I wore, taught me what connections for. Through open hearts I start to see the power lives in unity. I let go of the fight to win and find my peace where love begins. The echo fades, the fire remains, but now it burns with softer flames. Now I learn to share the climb, to slow the rush, to trust the time. The strength